What's up, guys? It's Aaron from Twins Garage. Sorry if you can't hear me very well. Got the heater going on in the garage. It's pretty cold. Getting the third bay cleaned up. Getting the engine moved out of the way of the door so we can get the Subaru in here. Trying to get the engine moved off to the side over here. Hopefully it's gonna bite here soon. So it only has probably 500 miles on the rebuild and great little engine, gets really good gas mileage, but hopefully I can get it sold here soon. Okay, the Civic engine is in its new home until somebody buys it. I had to bungee cord it to the wall because it kept wanting to tip over, which this one ain't doing a whole lot. I got a huge mess to clean up. I had to cut the pallet up even more, so I have to make it as small as possible. That's the B16 trans, which I'm gonna be putting up on that shelf back there, and the Subaru's gonna go right here. And here is the new shop jack that Josh wanted to sticker bomb. So my goal this week is to get all this cleaned up, plus this trash, all that trash, and whatever those came off my house, that's trash. All that's getting cleaned up. I'm gonna clean up and organize this entire shelf. Well, I gotta work 12 hours tomorrow. I just got done working 12 today. So I'm gonna end this video for now, but you're gonna see me in like 10 seconds. I'll probably do some more tomorrow, clean it up. I'll maybe film it afterwards. If I don't end up doing anything tomorrow, I'm definitely gonna do stuff Wednesday. Hopefully I'll get my new roof rack for the Subaru here this week so I can test fit that, see how the bike mount and the snowboard mount and all that look up there. And hopefully we're gonna get the Evo moved over here, Subaru moved over here, get the Evo liners in hopefully sometime this week, probably this weekend. So I'll see you in like 2 seconds. Okay, it's a new day, guys. Still got some cleaning to do, but I've been thinking while I'm cleaning like how I want to situate the cars, and I think I've decided to change things up a bit. Getting most of it cleaned. Gotta get rid of the rest of this pallet. I've been cutting it up to use it to set stuff on, but looks like it's at the end of its road here. But I'm thinking about keeping the Subaru where it's at and moving the Evo down here, because the Evo is going to be going on jack stands and probably not getting moved out until next spring. I know I said before I wasn't planning on recording a whole lot this week. Well, things change, and on the sake of keeping this video at a decent time and not having it 30,000 minutes long, I'm not gonna show too much more of the cleaning progress or talk too much more about that. I'll probably cut out and come back to it done and the car moved over here, because this weekend Josh is coming over, and I'm not sure if Alex is coming over, but I have another friend coming over. But we're gonna be definitely doing some stuff this weekend for at least Saturday, possibly a little bit on Sunday. And then I need time to get this video edited on Sunday night, Monday. So I'm gonna come back probably in a couple days. So for you, it'll be a couple seconds. So see you later. Decided to come back today with a quick little update video. Got the Subaru over here for now, but it's going to go back to the middle bay. I just needed to do some stuff to my winter beater over here. It's a Grand Cherokee. Just got a few things I want to do before I trust to driving it this winter. I have my work van that I drive 99% of the time, but I need something to go to drill in and just to get around in. So picked up this for pretty cheap. So I just gotta make a trash run tomorrow, get the Evo down, get the Evo moved over here, get the Subaru back over here, and we'll be good. So I'll come back in a couple days probably. So see you in a few seconds.
Oh snap, when do you guys close? Oh shoot, can I still order a pizza, or am I gonna be like screwing you guys? Alright, can I take one of those?
Josh is ordering pizza.
That'll do it. And then how long will that take? 20 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes to spare. Just right. I will be there. Thank you. 616.
Okay guys, got some updates to show you in the garage. Got the Evo in the middle bay. It's probably not gonna stay like that. I'll probably swap with the Subaru, and if you haven't noticed yet, I got a roof rack on the Subaru. I bought it used, it's a Rhino rack, and it came with Yakima ski / snowboard mounts. I got the covers for them, but I had to drill out all the locks, and I ordered new locks. So those will go on later. I have to drill these locks out yet, but they're unlocked so I can use it. But if I want to lock it, I'll have to buy new locks because I don't have the keys for them. Got a little bit more sanding done on the rear. I got a little bit more work to do, and then I can put the bumper back together and finish that up. That's all I'm gonna film tonight. Still got 3 days left before I need to upload this video, so I may be back with some more. So see ya in 2 seconds.
I don't even know if it's so tiny.
I hate it. Getting the inside. Especially that rust.
These were rally cars.
Well, this is gonna be a drift car, hopefully. If I get one, or putting it back. I know you can't see shit.
Does yours not work, or did you just try it?
Trying to get Alex to buy this house, which comes with this barn. It's my aunt and uncle's old house, and he used to have a junkyard back here. So I'm trying to get Alex to buy it right now. I'll get some up close shots of the garage here in a minute. Okay guys, today is Sunday night. I got work tomorrow, so I'm gonna end this week's video now. Finally, a very busy week, so there's gonna be a lot of footage. We got the seats out of Andrew's Subaru, which originally came from my Subaru, but when I got my STI seats, I gave him my old ones, and we just got him some STI seats, so got those back in here now. Did a little work to the Subaru, got my roof rack installed, and got a new latch for the glove box so I can actually open it, and then I got a new latch for here. So went to the junkyard and we got a ton of stuff. We got another trunk with a WRX wing. And Josh got us a sweet Red Bull cooler. 40 bucks off of Facebook Marketplace. So I hope you liked this week's video. I'm gonna get this edited tonight and Monday. Hopefully get it up for you on Tuesday morning. Got a big snowstorm coming, so I gotta clear a spot in here so I can pull in. And hopefully I'll have some time in between work tomorrow and the snowstorm to get the video edited and ready for Tuesday. Not sure what we got planned on for this week. Hopefully going to do some more body work to the Subaru. Not sure if we're gonna do anything to the Evo, but with the snowstorm coming up, we might take the Evo out and have a little bit of fun. Depends on what Josh wants to do. So I'll definitely get some footage of that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this long week of footage. I had 4 days off for the holiday, so I got a lot of footage, and I did a lot of car stuff. We spent the whole day at the junkyard yesterday. Unfortunately, I didn't record much from that. I wish I would have. Anyways, please comment, like, subscribe. Check out our Instagram pages, which will be linked below. And check out the page, The Slipping Clutch. That's my other page with Josh and the Evo. So please check that out, and see you next time.